welcome back to my page. For me, that is one of the hardest things about becoming a vegan is letting go of leather items. I have given away a whole lot of shoes, jackets, and coats. I still have one leather jacket left in my closet, and I am trying to incorporate more non-leather articles in my home. You have to let go of leather. It's cruel. If you watch the video Earthlings, you'll see what I mean. It's very unfair to the animal and to the environment, and we just want to kind of get away from it. So it's difficult because they're just so, I have such a problem because for me, I've just been learned over and over that leather products are the best products. They breathe, they give, they're more comfortable, and so it is very difficult to let go of these old stigmas or things that we've been taught. I'm trying to start to switch my mindset and believe in other products besides those that are animal products. And like I said, it's a struggle, but I think wherever we are in the journey or in the struggle, but you can accept where you are and just try to move towards a better day or a goal. Okay, I said it. So now let's just get to the fun part of the video. This is the unveiling of Call It Spring. I've heard from other sources that this is a vegan company. Okay, and I ordered some beautiful shoes from them. Look, and it's kind of like suede-ish looking. And it says vegan. I don't know if you can read that. I'll bring it up to the camera. It says vegan, little heart. These we love animals, and we don't want to hurt them. So. Look how cute. Look how cute. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You love shoes like I love shoes. This shoe is gorgeous. Okay, let's just open this one. This is from Even&Odd. And if you take a look, very similar to the first one. Also with the suede look. This band is a little bit thinner. The shape, I have to say, I'm in love with the shape of this shoe. Also not bad. And here, just a little anklet strap. It's really cute. I think I'm going to send it back just because around here it's tight, and I didn't have that with the Call It Spring shoe. So I think I said before in one of my videos, I am a package freak. I love the packaging from Call It Spring. Love the little handle, love the blue and white. Give this baby an open and see what we have inside. Ooh, I remember ordering these. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Patent leather look. Nobody got hurt to make these shoes. Beautiful. I'm in love with these too. Aren't these great? I mean, really, take a good look at that sheen on it. Okay. I don't think you can tell that they're not leather. They look like, perfectly well patent leather shoes. But for comfort, I'm going to go with the first ones I had on. I truly believe when you make any move towards compassion, be it racism, homophobia, children's rights, women's rights all around the world, poverty, any cause you can think of that would better this planet, it all starts with just accepting and opening yourselves up to believing that everything on this planet is worthwhile and has the right to live and live peacefully. So today, as we are moving in a compassionate way, I just want to share this with you. Wherever you are in this journey to become vegan, plant-based, and for whatever reasons, keep moving in that direction. If you need any help, just leave a comment below. You can contact me. I'll get back at you as soon as I can. Maybe the name brands that you see posted on my videos will also be available in the land that you are living in or the country you are living in. Let me know what you think. Rome was not built in a day. So don't be too heavy on yourself. Sometimes you should be, not all the time. I just bless you, ask the Lord to bless you. Blessings until our next video. Thank you for watching.